So good news for the students who are in Delhi, NCR. We are going to bring up Math Circle. The idea is to make the like-minded people meet at a common place, discuss math ideas, discuss the puzzles. We discuss some unseen problems. अगर तुम 7th में भी हो, 8th में हो, 9th में, 10th में, 11th में, 12th में, and even if you're a mathematics enthusiast. In fact, हम यहाँ पर बच्चों के पेरेंट्स को भी बोलते हैं. So in all the math circles that we've conducted around the country so far. Right. So फरीदाबाद, NCR में करने वाले, DPS फरीदाबाद में करने वाले, Love for Math Beyond Syllabi, Community of Like-minded People. हम पेरेंट्स के लिए अलग से वेटिंग हॉल अलग से कर रहे हैं, बट अगेन इफ दे वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस मैथ सर्कल एक्टिविटी दे आल्सो कैन. हाय एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग, जय हिंद. So good news for the students who are in Delhi, NCR. We are going to bring up Math Circle, one of our flagship events that we conduct in every city that we get a chance to conduct. Now in Delhi, NCR, we conducted this kind of workshop last year in Delhi, NCR. It was an amazing response by the students. In fact, it was more of an RMO workshop. This is a Math Circle workshop. The idea is to make the like-minded people meet at a common place, discuss math ideas, discuss the puzzles, discuss mathematics and celebrate mathematics in general. Right. So this is what we're going to conduct in Delhi, Faridabad, and यहाँ पे सारी details मैं तुम्हें बताने वाला हूँ. And the students who are in Delhi or NCR region of India should not miss this, because this is an opportunity जो बहुत कम मिलती है, because it is very rare to make all the good students kind of gather in the same place and discuss ideas, right? So this is what we do at Vedanta Olympiad School. So Math Circle 2026 Delhi chapter, and of course we are going to conduct this in Faridabad. All the details I'm going to tell you. तो यहाँ पे this is going to be, क्या होता है Math Circle के अंदर? This is going to be a one-day journey. It's precisely a 3-hour journey. 3 घंटे का एक session लेने वाले हैं. It's not a one-way session. It is a kind of community session wherein we discuss some unseen problems, and बच्चों आपस में discuss करते हैं, and the teachers of course give them certain hints to solve the problems. This is what the real mathematics look like, right? So this is unlike the kind of mathematics that you study in your schools, or maybe in your tuitions, or maybe in your coachings, wherein mostly it is one-way communication, where the teacher tells you formula, teachers tell you some problems, and you're supposed to solve the problems with the same procedure that is told 5 minutes before, right? So this is not how mathematics is supposed to be learned. This is now how mathematics is supposed to be done, right? तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं? We give students unsolved problems, the kind of problems that they have not solved before, and उनके groups बनाते हैं, and the groups consist of different kind of students, and ultimately they have to discuss with certain hints from the teachers who are already present there. And of course यहाँ पर इस event को attend करने वाले आने वाले हैं me and Chetan sir, and it is going to be amazing set of problems. In fact, Chetan sir मैंने ये problem sets बनाने शुरू कर भी दिए हैं, and which we are going to share with the students on that particular day. So कब होने वाला है? This is going to happen on 27th of June. 27th of June को खत्म होने वाला है ये event, and the timings are going to be 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So it's going to be a 3-hour workshop, right? So after this workshop, of course, the students and parents, if they want to meet us, they want to discuss related to their Math Olympiad journey, or anything in general, they can. And it is going to happen in DPS Faridabad. So DPS Faridabad is one of the top schools in the country, which is known for producing a lot of medalists in IMO. In fact, हर साल DPS फरीदाबाद से 1 या 2 बच्चे होते हैं जो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं इंडिया को इन IMO, right? So this is that kind of school, and all the good students जो मैथ में अच्छे हैं वो DPS फरीदाबाद में ही होते हैं, NCR region के, right? So this is where we are going to conduct this particular workshop. And again, how do you attend this workshop? To attend this workshop, you have to fill the Google form which is there in the description box. Since ये DPS फरीदाबाद में हो रहा है, हमें एक हॉल मिला है, उस हॉल की लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी है, राइट? सो द ओनली इनवाइटीज आर गोइंग टू बी वाया द गूगल फॉर्म. तो अगर तुम गूगल फॉर्म भरते हो, देन आवर टीम इज गोइंग टू गेट इन टच विद यू, दे आर गोइंग टू कॉन्टैक्ट यू, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू शेयर अदर डिटेल्स विद यू. इट इज टोटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, ठीक है? सब बच्चों के लिए टोटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है. So why do you join this? As I already mentioned, you discover the beauty of mathematics beyond the class formula. So again, we are not going to give you any problem which is based on any formula. So again, अगर तुम 7th में भी हो, 8th में हो, 9th में, 10th में, 11th में, 12th में, and even if you're a mathematics enthusiast and just want to appreciate good mathematics, even if you're in college, you're free. इनफैक्ट हम यहाँ पर बच्चों के पेरेंट्स को भी बोलते हैं. सो इन ऑल द मैथ सर्कल्स दैट वी हैव कंडक्टेड अराउंड द कंट्री सो फार, we also invite the parents, interested parents, to be a part of the workshop. So parents participate, they are in the groups, they solve the problems, and this is the kind of culture that we want to see in this country, right? So discover the beauty of mathematics beyond the formulas, because the problem set jo hum dene wale hain, they're going to be totally fresh, and they're going to be not using any kind of deep mathematics, only logical kind of mathematics. Problem solving activities with fun activities, right? So we're going to give you, well, we are going to do a lot of fun stuff, fun activity stuff in this particular segment. We're going to play a lot of math games, do a lot of puzzles, which students are definitely going to enjoy. And of course, one of the things is you build your math network. ठीक है, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम मैथ सीखने के ये होती है कि you don't find a lot of good like-minded people around you, right? So this is definitely a platform. In fact, जब भी हमने मैथ सर्कल्स किया, चाहे कोलकाता के अंदर, बैंगलोर के अंदर, चेन्नई के अंदर हमने किया था लास्ट ईयर, दिल्ली के अंदर किया था, पुणे के अंदर किया था. So one of the feedbacks that we get from the students and the parents is कि sir, thank you, मैथ सर्कल तो अच्छा था, but उसके बाद they were able to find a lot of good-minded people who lived around the same area, and now the students are happy discussing the problems set with each other, right? So this is a very, very, very big advantage. यहाँ पे जितने भी मैथ सर्कल्स के बच्चे हैं, हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो ऑलरेडी लेवल्स के अंदर पढ़ रहे हैं, वो आने वाले हैं. We are also, if possible, we'll try to invite some of our students who are studying in IIT Delhi, because पास में ही है, right? So that they are able to motivate you all, right? So this is going to be an amazing event. I can surely guarantee you that. And if you are, if you like mathematics, you are going to fall in love with mathematics after this workshop. And ठीक है, मतलब अगर तुम्हें डर भी लगता ना मैथ से, इस वर्कशॉप के बाद जो डर है ना वो हट जाएगा, बिकॉज तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि व्हाट इज द रियल मैथमेटिक्स इज ऑल अबाउट, राइट? सो फरीदाबाद एनसीआर में करने वाले हैं, डीपीएस फरीदाबाद में करने वाले लव फॉर मैथ बियॉन्ड स्ले बाय कम्युनिटी ऑफ लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, boost in problem solving skills, communication and confidence, and strong foundation for competitive exams. We're also going to tell you कि किस तरीके से कुछ मैथ कॉन्टेस्ट जो है IOCM and the likes, उसमें किस तरीके से चीजें करनी है. Will be giving some kind of guidance sessions, and after 2 PM you are free to talk to the teachers also who will be there. ठीक है. Now, as I mentioned, there is a hall which has limited capacity, so you need to fill the Google form. So invitations are only and only via Google form, right? So there are limited seats available. Fill the Google form which is there in the description box. I'll just show you the form also. तो भाई ये हमारा सेशन चल रहा है. ओके, ठीक है. तो भाई ये, so this is the Google form that you need to fill. यहाँ पे सारी की सारी डिटेल्स दी हुई है. So name, grade, contact number, email ID. If you are enrolled in any of the VS batch, so it is going to help us plan the kind of problems जो हम यहाँ पे देने वाले हैं. Parent can also attend, right? So parent can not only be a part, they can also be a part of the group. ठीक है. So again, they don't, हम parents के लिए अलग से we are waiting hall अलग से कर रहे हैं, but again if they want to participate in this math circle activity, they also can. And city you live in, and IOCM RMO and INMO score, right? So this is going to help us plan कि किस तरह के बच्चे आ रहे हैं, उस तरह के हम problem set रखने वाले हैं. ठीक है. So do fill this form, and the sooner you fill, the chances are that कि तुम्हें हमारी तरफ से जल्दी कॉल आ जाएगा and तुम्हें confirmation seats मिल जाएंगी. ठीक है. So again the students who are in Delhi NCR, do not miss this. It's an awesome opportunity. And जो बच्चे यहाँ पे इस सेशन को देख रहे हैं, if you know someone who's in Delhi NCR and is really interested in mathematics, do pass on this particular video to him or her. Take care. But I am from other state, बच्चे other states also will be conducting it very soon. Don't worry. Okay. Will it be in Bangalore again? Yes. So again, we'll keep on rotating. Do not worry. So Bangalore we have already conducted twice. We'll be doing it again. ठीक है. चलो guys, so if there are any other doubts, you can put this in the comment section. We'll definitely try to answer that. Take care. God bless you. And those who are coming, super excited